Hello, YouTube. Thank you for watching our channel. We're coming to you today from the FabTech show in beautiful Chicago, Illinois. We're here today with Ken Ulrich with Sandrex Corporation. Ken's going to talk to us a little bit about a new machine that he's got for us. What do you got for us, Ken?
Hey, Joe. Good afternoon, everyone. Here's our Sand MIG 200MF 3-in-1 MIG stick TIG synergic welder. What's nice about it is an easy setup for MIG. You just follow through the menu and it tells you exactly what you need to do and how to set up for welding. Set your thickness, hit the button, you're ready to weld. It's that simple.
That is simple.
This machine runs on 110 or 220, so it'll run at any place, anywhere, any home, small shop, muffler shop, fab shop. Ideal machine for that application. Stick, TIG, or MIG, folks.